My kitty? Oh, what's Mommy got? Eee, that was a big paw. What's Mommy got? Oh, I think this one's a full oh, that's a people chicken, no feathers. That one's got no feathers. Should you go get her? Let's see what Mommy's got before your doggy eats it. Is it flying? Mommy, you gotta make it fly. That's not a very good. Daddy does much better making that chicken fly.
And Daddy can make it fly.
What are you thinking? Daddy's got to make it fly? How am I going to get a video? We're going to put you in your thing. Oh, well,
that was real. Real. No, not me. Chicken. Hey, I said not me.
Apparently, Mommy doesn't want you chewing on her. We're only going to be gone about 20 minutes and then we'll let you out. You go under the porch.
We gotta clean up the poop today.
Yeah. And about 400 square feet of den under here. Okay, we'll be back in about a half an hour, Savannah. You're in charge while we're gone. Bowen, you're in charge. I know, it sucks. It's a lot to look after, but you can do it. Oh, there's our boar. Oh, there's 3 lemurs. Just relaxing. Which ones are these? Let's go see which order they're in. Let's go see what we got. And there's our boar. That was dropped off about 3 weeks ago. Hi, Moto. Oh, yeah. Monkey. What are you guys doing? Oh, you have that stoned look on your face. Were you going to sleep? Are you going to sleep? Hi. Hi, how are you, Thor? See, you don't always have to be miserable. That's me, Thor. I love my baby. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. And hi, how are you? Hi. Looking after your girls? This is one little troop of 3. These guys are always together. And the monkey's just bad. Like all monkeys. Black and white lemurs everywhere. This is a coatimundi. Like the sign says, I will bite. And you do, don't you? Because you are a bad boy. Yes, you are. You are a bad boy. I'll come in and see you in a bit.